What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you already know from the title, we are going to be test fitting my GTS hood from none other than Suvneer. Shout out to Suvneer and the team over there for sponsoring today's video as well as the GTS hood. I am super excited about this one, guys. I mean, this is like the final piece of the puzzle for my exterior on my F80 M3. So it's going to be a super exciting video. I'm going to split this up into two parts. Today we're going to be test fitting the actual hood and showing you guys the fitment, and then we are going to be dropping off the car this week actually to Samuel's Auto Body here in Orlando to get it painted, and then we'll do another vlog, you know, dropping it off and then picking it up, revealing it, of course. So stay tuned, you guys don't want to miss out. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content, hit the bell notification, follow your boy on Instagram, and follow Suvneer on Instagram as well. And huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. We got Ashton back on the channel. Say what's up. Alright, so here is the main attraction of today's video. This is the aluminum GTS style hood from Suvneer. This actually came on a giant FedEx freight truck actually outside my house. I'm not sure even how the guy fit in my neighborhood, but I'm gonna go ahead and play those clips for you guys now. Boys, look what just arrived at the crib. Let's go. FedEx freight truck at the crib. That's wild. Alright, just signed for the package and the hood is here. This thing is freaking massive. I can't believe they actually fit in my neighborhood right here. Yo, this dude's a savage. Shout out to FedEx. Let's go. So you can probably see it in those clips. Your boy was super excited. I mean, this giant package arrived on my front doorstep. I can't wait to unwrap this for you guys. Suvneer also sent me out this carbon fiber trunk organizer. So we're gonna be installing that or putting that in my car today as well. So in the theme of Christmas arrived early. Let's go ahead and unwrap these gifts. Also, I was super impressed of how fast this hood arrived. I think me and Suvneer were talking, and then I think they sent it out on a Monday, and this literally arrived via FedEx on Friday. So I was super impressed with that, of course. But let's go ahead and show you guys the grand reveal. This thing is sick. This thing looks beautiful. It was packaged super well and super safe. I don't see any imperfections or anything like that. I just can't believe this is my GTS hood. Obviously it comes with the vent as well. I think we're gonna paint that in gloss black until we get a carbon one, which we probably will work with Suvneer again. For those of you guys that don't know, the GTS hood has this opening vent right here. This comes on the CS as well as the GTS's. This has a elongated like bulge right there, so it's more aggressive from all angles. I think this is one of the best mods that you can do for any F-Series BMW. It just adds so much aggression from the front end. It looks so badass. So yeah, I can't wait to get this painted next week and put it on the F80 M3. I was super shocked when I was carrying it in with the FedEx guy how light this hood actually is. I think this one weighs in around 27 pounds or so. I think it said on the box. It's not only gonna look good, it's also gonna save me some weight, so it is practical as well. But let's go ahead and take off my OEM hood and let's get this test fitted. So I watched a few videos online, and taking off your hood is actually pretty simple. You wanna like pinch these down, and then that will let you loosen off these hood latches right here. There's also one on the other side. And then there's also two little push pins right there. You just want to take out with a tool, and then this should come right out. So we're going to be transferring that over to the new GTS hood from Suvneer as well. And then lastly, you have this line right here that you just want to disconnect. It's held in literally just by like plastic tabs, so you just want to kind of pry them out. Be careful, of course, because they're plastic. And then you have the sensor right here as well. So you just want to disconnect this wire. You can let it hang honestly right here, and then all that is left to hold in the hood is actually these 13mm bolts right here. There's one, and then two, and then same on the other side, and then the hood should slide right off. Also, before I unscrew these completely, I just took a picture of how many threads I actually have left, so that's what we're going to try to mirror once we put these into the GTS hood. And then you just want one of these little tools, like a little push pin remover, to get these two out, and then this should slide off. The good thing about the GTS hood is it already has these holes kind of ready for you to push these back into. And this last one right here, there's two like this. You just want to get your pry tool underneath and pop it out. And all we have left is to take off the 13mm bolts right here. Alright, so I just undid the two 13s, and as you guys can see right here, you can lift the hood up I'm gonna probably ask my fiance just in case, just so we don't damage anything. But let's go ahead and knock out the other side now. The hood is ready to be taken off. Car looks super naked now. Should we run the hood delete? Alright, shout out to the fiance for helping me out. She held it up in the middle. Damn, looks sick. While I tighten down the two 13mm nuts on the side. So all we have to do now is assemble in reverse order. So moment of truth, let's go ahead and test fit it and see how the gaps are. Damn. Before even looking at it, this thing looks sick. This is definitely the last piece of the puzzle for my F80 M3. Let me adjust the CPO for you guys. This thing will look painted on camera, and damn, that looks hard. Freaking love it so far. And honestly, like, just from looking at it, the fitment is not bad at all. I made a few adjustments off camera, but let's go ahead and check a look at the gaps all around. You guys can see they're very, very consistent, very even. I'm not really worried about the fitment being perfect right now because the body shop is going to take off the hood anyway for paint. But if you guys can see on camera, the gaps all around are very even, and I really like that. And sometimes the GTS hoods, they don't get the alignment right, and so this like kind of pops forward and doesn't line up with the fender. But I made some small adjustments and I'm super happy with how that looks and all the gaps all around. And again, since the body shop's going to be taking it off, I'm not really concerned about the bumper to hood gap right now. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this looks and also the fitment and the quality. There are a few little like micro scratches and imperfections like right there, but obviously the body shop's gonna sand that down anyway before they paint it. So this thing is literally ready to go. I think it's so sick that you can see through, but you guys can literally see the carbon strut brace popping through the hood, and the power dome just looks insane. Another thing that surprised me is like when my fiance helped me lift my OEM hood, it's actually very light. Like I would even say it's like almost as light as the aluminum style GTS hood. If you guys want a hood, hit me up. I'll probably sell it so I don't have to keep it in the garage. I'm probably gonna pull the car out just like halfway so I can get some B-roll and so you guys can get a better look. But again, I'm not worried about fitment right now because they're gonna take it off for paint this week anyway. And I know Samuel's Auto Body, who also did Shame M3s, my boy Ben, the GOAT, they also did his GTS hood. It looks flawless. They did an amazing job, so that's why we're going with them. I know that they're very meticulous about their work, so I know once the hood is painted, they're gonna make sure that the lines themselves are pretty even all around. Dude, I literally can't believe it. I'm in awe right now. All right, before we pull the car out, I just wanted to show you guys what else they sent out. This is their carbon fiber trunk organizer. Again, I don't think I've ever seen one on the market. This thing is super nice. It's gonna be for storing, you know, car detailing products, whether it be like tire shine, quick detailer, waterless wash. This thing actually expanded into, you know, two big cubbies right here. And as you guys can see, the lining is carbon fiber, and this thing absolutely looks beautiful. Let me show you guys what it's gonna look like inside my trunk, because my trunk is always a little unorganized. I have my quick detailer over here, a couple microfibers. I have my OBD cable, you know, for tuning on the fly, but instead of having that everywhere, I'll actually have somewhere nice to store these. So everything will have a place to go, just like so. And honestly, it looks super clean as well. So I really like this so far. Can't wait to use this. So I can always have a place to put my detailing products, and they won't be rolling around the trunk like before. So absolutely love this product. Super cool. Not sure if it's on their website yet, but I will definitely let you guys know in the next video so you guys can get yourself one. And look at the branding right there. That's freaking sick. And the best part is it's collapsible, so you can just stow it away if you don't have anything. But already that looks so much cleaner, and it's all in one place. So this thing is a certified thumbs up. Dude, this looks crazy. Oh my god, with the red guts popping through, it looks so aggressive. That hump is freaking sick. I literally can't stop staring at it. It's literally so sick. This is one of my favorite mods that you could do for the F-Series, like I said before. And it's taken me almost 3 years to actually do it to my F80. So I'm super happy that I finally pulled the trigger. Shout out to Suvneer. But let me know what you guys think. It already looks painted in this video, but once it actually is paint matched, it's gonna look so good. That's effectively gonna wrap up this video. Let me know what you guys think. GTS hood, boys. And also, like, in the cabin, I forgot to mention, you can see like the power dome. And I've heard like if you have intakes, it makes such a huge difference. So I'm super excited about that because those will probably be coming soon as well. Sneak peek. Massive shout out to Suvneer. I can't stop smiling. You guys see it. This thing looks amazing. I already love it and it's not even painted yet. So stay tuned for that video. That will be coming soon. It's gonna tie it all together once it's paint matched and everything. But shout out to Suvneer. Thank you for them for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys do me a favor, follow them on Instagram and check their website out. They have everything, you know, BMW related, Audi, Mercedes, you name it, they probably have something for your car. So it'll be the first link in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. But as always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below what you guys think. That shit is hard. And you know, subscribe for future content, follow your boy on Instagram, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.